Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find downloaded files on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer has fully loaded up. Wait for your system to complete its startup process so everything is ready to go. This ensures all your files and folders are accessible and the system is running smoothly. Once your PC is ready, you have a couple of straightforward methods to locate your downloaded files. The first method is the quickest. Simply click on your Start menu at the bottom left corner of your screen. In the search bar that appears, type in "this PC" and press enter. This will open your File Explorer and give you direct access to all your main folders, including your Downloads folder. You'll see it listed right there alongside Documents, Pictures, and other default Windows folders. Click on the Downloads folder and you'll instantly see all the files you've downloaded to your computer. Now, here's an alternative method that's especially useful if you want to find a specific file you recently downloaded through your browser. Open the web browser you used to download the file, whether that's Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any other browser. Once your browser is open, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and press J. This keyboard shortcut opens your download history page, which displays a complete list of all the files you've downloaded from the internet. This list is really handy because it shows you everything in chronological order, making it easy to find recent downloads. Here's where it gets even better. All these files share the same download location on your computer. To quickly navigate to where a specific file is stored, simply hover your cursor over any downloaded file in this list. You'll notice a small folder icon appears next to the file name. Click on that folder icon, and Windows will automatically locate the downloaded file for you, opening your Downloads folder with that file highlighted. This makes it incredibly easy to find exactly what you're looking for without having to manually search through folders. So there you have it. You now know two simple methods to locate your downloaded files on Windows 11, whether you prefer using File Explorer directly or accessing them through your browser's download history. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.